Big old butt.
Oh.
Hey, get under there.
That's what she's doing too.
That's one.
You just stay right over there. You stay away from my babies.
There's two. There's the third one. Uh-oh. Well, you're gonna get in trouble. You came back out of bed.
I would kind of laugh if she cracked it on my head right now.
Bad baby. Okay, I go to bed, Mom.
Open the door.